In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a font size greater than 72 points in Microsoft Word. This is a handy tip for anyone looking to create standout titles, large print documents, or just experiment with text size beyond the standard offerings. Let's dive into the process so you can master this feature and make the most of your Word experience. First, you'll want to start by selecting the text that you want to enlarge. This is important because any change in font size will be applied to the text you have highlighted. If you're working with a brand new document, go ahead and type the text you want first, and then highlight it. Once your text is selected, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the Home tab, which is usually the first tab in your toolbar. In this tab, there's a section called Font, filled with various tools to adjust the appearance of your text. Within that font group, you'll see a box that shows font sizes such as 12, 14, 72, and so on. Typically, this is where you would choose your text size from a preset list. However, Word allows you to go beyond what's listed here. Instead of selecting a number from the drop-down, you will click into the font size box itself. By doing this, you can type in whatever size you need. For example, if you want your text to really pop, you might type in 100, 150, or even 300. Once you've chosen your desired size, simply press Enter on your keyboard. Now you might be wondering if there's a limit to this. In many versions of Word, you can go as large as 1,638 points, providing you plenty of flexibility for your creative needs. If the drop-down list only goes up to 72, manually typing the number will still allow you to access those larger sizes. It's that simple. This manual override is a quick way to gain greater control over your document's appearance, and it's especially useful if you're designing posters, creating emphasis in presentations, or just trying something new with your document designs. Experimenting with these larger font sizes can really enhance your documents and make sure key pieces of text grab the attention they deserve. So there you have it, an easy way to elevate the impact of your text in Microsoft Word by selecting a font size greater than the standard options available. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to try this out in your next Word document to see how it works for you. Have fun experimenting, and we'll see you in the next video.